Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda says that the intention and policies of the BJP-JJP government are causing loss to farmers. Laborers, the policies of the current government are proving to be harmful for every farmer, from crop producer to animal husbandry. Sidhu-a-thon in Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh's flesh for a long time now has already made it clear that his stand will remain unchanged on the issue he has been raising. India recorded a 38% rise in its foreign direct investment inflows on one year-on-year basis. Data released by the government showed on Wednesday. Two BJP MPs from North Bengal and a BJP MLA from the Gram Fulbari adjacent to Siliguri have raised the demand for making North Bengal a separate state. The Maharashtra State Election Commission has decided to hold elections to the 5 Zilla Parishads and Paibols to the seats in the 33 Panchayat Samiti that were rendered vacant and converted into general category following the Supreme Court's verdict of quashing. Russia said on Tuesday it had fired warning shot and drop bombs in the path of the British destroyer sailing in the Black Sea off coast of the Crimea Peninsula, which Russia seized and annexed from Ukraine. The Enforcement Directorate has summoned 3 top fashion designers of the country in connection with a money laundering case against the Punjab Congress legislature, official sources said on Monday. The centre on Wednesday approved further allocation of additional food grain to National Food Security Act beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana till November. 15 long years after first getting into a leather coat and putting on its superhero mask, Hrithik Roshan officially announced that the next installment of the superhero franchise Kish 4 is on the way.